Hello kids, today we are going to see how to draw and color a lion. Before we draw, please subscribe my YouTube channel. Come, let's start. First we are going to draw a lion face by using an oval shape. First draw a lion face hair called mane with sharp edges randomly. Now draw downside curve, and on both the sides draw an ear by using a semicircle and circle inside. Now on both the edge of the ear draw a curve. Draw a nose by using curved triangle shape and mouth by using an oval shape on both the sides of the nose. Draw U curve for jaw, small M for the tongue. Draw a whisker on both the sides of the mouth. Draw two small circles for an eye. Draw small curves on top of both the eyes for eyebrow. Draw two parallel straight lines and close that lines with an alphabet D curve for lion feet. Draw two curves inside the feet for fingers. Now on another side, draw two parallel straight lines and close the lines with alphabet D curve for lion feet. Draw two curves inside the feet for fingers. Now draw curves like a heart shape for the back and draw alphabet D curve in between back and the front leg for the back two legs and curves inside for the fingers. Now draw two parallel curves towards up and draw an oval curve. End up with sharp edge for the tail. At last, draw an oval shape inside the body. Let's start coloring. Brown color. Yellow color. bright yellow color, brown color, red color, black color. That's it. See, it's very simple. If you like my video, please like, share and subscribe my YouTube channel. In my next video, we are going to see how to draw a snowman. See you.